everyone, welcome back to Thompson TV. It's Charlotte here, and today I'm going to be showing you around one of our arrivals for 2026, and that is the Rapido 854F. Some of the key features about this vehicle then, it's a 6-berth, you've got 4-seat belt, it's 3.5 tonnes, so it can be driven on standard driving licence, and as well as this, it is more on the compact side, measuring in at just 6.99 metres. So starting off at the front, as you can see, we do have an updated grille with the 2026 model. You've got that lovely honeycomb feature at the front here, it is very sharp looking with the lights as well. Making our way around the side, our gas bottles are kept here. Your toilet cassette, you've got an awning light now on the roof, comes a 150 watt solar panel, and you've also got a lithium leisure battery as part of the energy pack. At the back is our garage, so we'll open that up and take a look in there next. So we've got a reverse camera, of course, and then just beside that is our garage. So you've got access to both sides, and as you can see, it is a really decent sized garage, especially for the vehicle being a rear lounge. So we've got our two-tone alloys with this one, and we've also got our Trumaflu here and our electric hookup. But more to the point, let's get inside and take a look at the exciting features we have in here. So into the driver's seat, this vehicle does come with the lounge pack and the smart pack. So talking through some of those features, they come with the leather steering wheel. You've got your built-in cruise control here, you've got your electric park brake, you've got fully digital cockpit as well, and as well as this, we've got our automatic climate zone and an induction smartphone charger. This is your Pioneer infotainment system, so you just switch it on with that wee button there. And basically you've got your DAB radio built in, as well as your smartphone navigation, your DAB plus radio, and your Apple CarPlay. So we've got our kitchen setup in the front here. It is a pretty unique setup with this vehicle. So you can lounge in the front area with this little table, have your cup of coffee there. You've got your 3-way fridge. So this vehicle runs off electric and gas. So your fridge will run off your hookup, your gas, or your vehicle battery. So it is self-sufficient, it will run at all times if you leave it in the automatic setting. This is our kitchen, so as you can see, we've got a really decent worktop space here. There's plenty of room, as well as that, you've obviously got then plenty of storage to go with that. You can unlock the drawers there. That's basically just to stop the drawers from rattling whenever you're driving or sliding open. So great storage facilities there with your soft close cabinets. You've got a combi oven and grill. It's a set for duplex. And then As well as that, we've got our 2-ring gas burner. So this is our bathroom setup here. We've got the Velo swing door. So basically the concept of this is to utilise the space. As you can see, you've got a great space there for showering. And it's really utilising the space we have in the vehicle. So this is our rear lounge setup, and how beautiful is it? You've got the full leather upholstery finish, and then one thing that I really do love about this vehicle is the immense storage that you have here. So at this side is your hanging rail. Basically close this drawer over, and of course with Rapido being a French brand, they've left a whole section. Well, personally I'd put bottles of wine there, and then you've got an additional shelf. Over at this side, if you pull that across, then you've got your shelving. We've got plenty of USB ports in this vehicle, so you've got 2 underneath the shelf there, and then as well as this, you've got 2 each side, and the bed is actually here as well. So this is electrically operated, and it will go down that bit lower. See, if you remove the back cushions, that'll drop the full way down. Now what there is to note about this is the table collapses down. So with it being a 6 berth, that table collapses down and makes up into a huge double bed, which you will see in the next up and coming clips. So over here is our control panels for everything. Now, a lovely feature that we do have is the underfloor heating, so you are well kitted out for every season of the year. This is your Truma iNet box. So you can actually run this off your phone as of 2026. There's a little app. So if you want to maybe put on the heating whenever you're maybe out and about doing what you're doing before you come into the van will be nice and toasty for you. And then beside that is our lithium control panel. So as I was saying at the start of the video, we'll have a lithium ledger battery, and that's where you can monitor the battery levels for that. And at the front is our pull down bed. Now, what is nice about that as well is the fact that it's electrically adjustable. So of course you just need to pull down those 2 seats at the front, and then your bed will come down. I'll pull it down a little bit just so you can see. So that is our Rapido 854. Check it out on the website, or even better still, give us a call if you are interested. You can get us on 028 9269 3999 and press through option 1 to sales.